Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you real, honest reviews for your beauty and wellness needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that's a must-have for anyone running a busy beauty practice. Whether you're an esthetician, a makeup artist, or even a tattoo artist, this 3-tier rolling cart promises to be your new best friend when it comes to organizing your workspace. Let's get into it. The FAHKNS Esthetician Cart is designed to streamline your workflow with a heavy-duty metal frame and reinforced shelves that provide stability and durability, ideal for even the busiest of salon or spa environments. Its main appeal is practicality, with features built for functionality and ease of use. It's a great solution for keeping your tools, makeup supplies, skincare products, and other salon essentials within reach. Perfect for both professionals and those just getting started. As for specifications, the cart comes with 4 universal wheels, 2 of which can be locked in place to keep everything stable, especially during more dynamic tasks like hydrotherapy or when you're rolling the cart from one station to another. The wheels are 360-degree rotatable, which makes maneuvering this cart a breeze. This is definitely a thoughtful design detail for those working in tight spaces or needing to reposition the cart often. In terms of storage, the 3-tier design offers ample space for everything you need. Each shelf can support up to 130 pounds, so whether you're storing heavier skincare jars, makeup products, or even small tools and equipment, the cart has enough space and weight capacity to handle it. And the organization it provides? Game-changing. No more clutter on your countertops, which leads to a more efficient work environment. I also appreciate that the cart is easy to assemble, nothing too complicated or frustrating. It comes with clear instructions and all the tools you need, making it a quick setup so you can get to work without wasting time. Now let's talk about the experience. In my time using this cart, I found it incredibly helpful. It truly is a space saver. I was able to organize all my tools in a way that's visually accessible, which is super important when you're trying to work quickly in a busy environment. Whether it was for makeup, skincare, or a few extra supplies, everything had its place. The smooth rolling wheels allowed for easy movement, even in my rather cramped beauty room. I found the locking mechanism to be very secure when I needed to keep the cart in one place during treatments, so I didn't have to worry about it shifting when it was in use. However, one thing to note is that while the cart is great for most beauty professionals, its relatively simple design may not suit those looking for something more stylistically upscale or luxurious. If you're after something more aesthetic to fit into a high-end spa atmosphere, this might not be the one for you. It's more practical than fancy, which works well for most users, but could be a deal breaker for others. So let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: sturdy build. The heavy-duty metal frame and reinforced shelves make it highly durable. Great storage capacity. With each shelf holding up to 130 pounds, this cart can store a variety of beauty products and tools. Locking wheels for stability. 360-degree rotating wheels with locking features ensure smooth movement and stability during use. Easy assembly. Comes with clear instructions and the necessary tools, making setup quick and hassle-free. Cons: simple design. While the cart is highly functional, its straightforward design might not suit those looking for a more stylish or decorative option. Weight limit on shelves. While the weight capacity is impressive, it may not be suitable for ultra-heavy equipment. As for value for money, this cart is definitely a solid investment, especially for beauty professionals looking to organize their workspace efficiently. Its durability, ease of use, and ample storage space make it worth the price. When you factor in how much time and hassle it saves, I'd say it's a good buy. In comparison to other carts, many similar models can be found in the same price range. However, the FAHKNS Esthetician Cart stands out for its simple, no-nonsense functionality. You might find carts with sleeker designs or additional features, but this one offers the essentials without unnecessary frills. In terms of build quality, this cart is built to last. The metal frame feels solid, and the wheels roll easily across various surfaces. The materials used are strong enough to withstand daily use without showing signs of wear, even after several weeks. While I haven't had to reach out to customer support personally, FAHKNS has a reputation for providing reliable customer service based on user feedback. Many customers mention that their inquiries were handled promptly and efficiently. Now, as for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are plenty of less expensive carts available, though many might not offer the same sturdy build or easy mobility. For example, carts made from plastic instead of metal can be lighter and cheaper, but they might not hold up as well over time. That said, if you're looking for something that doesn't break the bank but still gets the job done, those might be a good option to consider. To wrap things up, the FAHKNS Esthetician Cart is an excellent choice for anyone in need of an affordable, durable, and practical rolling cart for their beauty practice. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, this cart will help keep your workspace organized, efficient, and ready for anything. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us bring you honest and informative reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments if you've used this product. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.